Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change DPI settings on the Samsung Galaxy A3. Now, to start off, I want to mention that you can't really change the resolution of your phone, at least not on this one. You can, however, make things appear larger to make it maybe easier to see. It should be under display, here easy mode, and when you turn it on all the icons will become bigger and easier to see and click, and overall it should be, yes, the text will also become bigger. If you want to get bigger text or even bigger text, you can go into font and screen zoom and increase the font size or decrease it if that's your thing. You can turn off easy mode, and instead of easy mode you can have font and screen zoom, increased screen zoom to make things appear larger in general too. You can change the font style, maybe download new fonts which you can just pick any font you like, and that's it. If this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.